When I first heard the news about the attack in Ohio, I was completely devastated and sad.
My first question was why? It seems like he was manipulated by extremist views into attacking innocent people.
It's going to create more negative attention for the Somali community.
And the violent extremist groups that inspire these attacks bring nothing but suffering to Muslims and everyone else to fulfill their agendas.
Nobody should ever feel powerless to bring about change, no matter how high the odds are stacked against them.
And the best way to do it is by getting involved in your community.
She arrived to the US as a refugee from the Somali capital, Mogadishu.
Ilham now represents a district of the largest East African community in the US. Ilham is a migrant, a black woman, wears a hijab, and working very hard to bring change to her community.
She wanted change and she did it in the best way possible.
By trying to help people find solutions.
If you want change, do it, but do it the right way.